standard profile, vivid profile, the natural profile, cine-like D, cine-like V, like 709. This is Cine D with a curve applied. This is Cine D with a smaller curve applied. Cine D with no curve. Standard. Vivid. Natural. Cine-like D again. Cine-like V. Okay, so this is Cine-like D with a curve applied and also increased contrast by 1 and saturation by 1. Okay, so this one is standard, -5 contrast, -3 sharpness, -3 saturation, -3 noise reduction, and then I think +1 saturation. Let's say it looks pretty accurate. Okay, this is natural with -5 contrast, -5 noise reduction, -5 sharpness, -2 saturation. This is the one I've been using recently. I felt it looked a little thin. Natural. Standard with adjustments. Standard with no adjustments. Vivid. I think I look like barbecue sauce. Cine-like V. Sorry. Cine-like D. Cine-like V. Okay, so a couple changes. I put the lens at 5.6 because I thought it might be sharper, better performance. And then the other thing is I added a slight curve of +2, -2 to the standard with adjustments, just to make it pop. So let's see how it looks. Okay, so this is the adjusted standard that I've kind of been liking with a curve of +2, -2 in a situation where the trees are kind of glowing behind me. And that's the kind of thing that I wish the camera would capture in camera, because I can't really reproduce that once I get back to the computer. So I want it to be captured in the camera. We'll see how that goes. So this is the adjusted standard. Okay, so adjusted standard with no curve applied. Standard. Vivid. Natural. Cine-like D. Cine-like V. Yeah. Not too bad. This has everything. This has a blue sky, trees and nature, skin, high contrast. So hopefully it can handle this situation. Hopefully you can get a graded look right out of the camera. That's what I'm hoping for. So we'll see. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm walking up to things and then I'm holding the camera up to my face and I'm gonna see if it looks the same or similar, kind of like I imagined. So looking at the screen, looking at the flower, and then I hold it up to my eye. Okay. See, even now those have a glow that in real life that's hard to capture. I'm not really interested in making something ordinary look exceptional. Just trying to capture the way it looks to me right now. It's close. I feel like I can have even more saturation. Alright, so now we're at +3 saturation instead of +1. It's too much. It's not saturation. This looks pretty good. I just reduced the contrast, or I increased the contrast to 3 from -3 from -5. I feel like that's it. Alright, I'm gonna roll with this. See how it goes. You have incredible patience. Thanks for humoring me.
No, I was doing my own thing.
That's good. That's good. Well, I feel done. I think I figured out my settings.
Okay, good.
Yeah. Well, we'll do that together.